Good afternoon, students. For today's topic, I have chosen on summary writing, which involves both the Form 4 and Form 5 SPM 1119 syllabus. Summary comes under Comprehension and Summary, Section C, 10 marks for your comprehension and 15 for the summary. The comprehension is basically a no-brainer. They say it's quite direct. Give you the questions that tell you where to pick the answers from. That is in that paragraph. In paragraph 1, what the question they ask you. In paragraph 4 and whatnot. So it's very easy. It's not. I do not want to explain too much because the more challenging part of section C is the summary writing. They give you a passage about 500, 600, 700 words and you have to summarize it. This topic is basically involved a personality, famous personality, infamous personality, an event or a factual passage, text. So we want to know, we have practice and whatever comes, the criteria to doing is all the same. Now you want to know about the rules of writing a good summary. Number 1, the rules are very clearly written in your after your question itself for summary. 130 words. Only one paragraph. And for every summary, it proceeds with 10 words are given. You either put a full stop there or continue with the 10 words from the passage and it will be written from line 5 to 50, 8 to 50, from line 1 to line 45. It's all given in the question. And for today's summary, I have chosen something different, a personality. This is about one of Malaysia's athletic queen, M. Rajamani. She was famous in the 60s. Okay, so this is the topic about M. Rajamani, which I will send to the group chat, right? And you will read and see about the character, how to do, read through once very fast. Okay, and for this question, read through very fast and then you'll understand roughly. In fact, actually when you answer your comprehension question, you get a rough idea of what the topic is about. So before you proceed with your summary, read through one more time and all your points are there. Okay, we already know the rules, the guide, regulation, 130 words, whatnot. Now we come to the summary, the tips and techniques of writing a good summary, right? 1, in every summary, there will be about 11, 12, 13 or even 14 points. You have to select only 10 points. Once you pick the 10 points, you get 10 marks for that. And you have a balance of 5 marks. So a total of 15 for your summary. How do you get a 5? By 1, after you pick up the points, the 5 points are given for your how you change the words. Do not copy directly. Change it. Use logical connectors. So for a summary, use about at least 3 logical connectors. That will give you a good. However, remember, do not add any point that is not given in the summary itself. Do not add any of your own point. It must be from the thing. And change your own, but don't change the meaning of the passage in the passage. Okay, and more importantly, leave out all unnecessary details, meaning anything that has got nothing to do with the question, do not pick up that point. Okay, here you have two points in every summary. They give you 2 questions that they ask. So here the 2 questions are: 1, write about Rajamani's athletic career. So you pick up the point in the passage about her highlights of her success, of her athletic career, how she came up from the school days, and then how she went to represent Malaysia in the international and international level, right? And the second part says the stages she went through, the challenges that she faced in the athletics field, all in the passage. And so you will have a good, a good essay. You know already how you have, what you're looking for, what you're going to write about. So it's good to have a good, better vocabulary where you can change some words to attain the higher points, the best points. So as long as you can get about 12, 13, 14 points, you have written a good summary. Okay, and in this way you have done your summary. Okay, you have covered for your summary part of your SPM. Okay, so you did some novel, short story, summary, directed writing, and also continuous writing. So when I forward this question for you, I've also made it easier for you by underlining the words you will see in the group chat when I forward this question, that I've underlined the points for you. Use this point. And another important, which I noticed can guide you, is the points are usually in the first line, and then the middle, and at the bottom of each paragraph. Okay, here the passage that I give you has about 7-8 paragraphs, and you will see how the points always refer to the question, and you will see that, and then pick up the points. Go back to the question. Oh, what is the question asked? Yes. Oh, the point is here. Then you pick up the points. Change a little bit of the word, and then combine them. Don't forget, the flow must be there. Not just picking up the point, which is quite erratic in reading. It must have a good flow. And how do you get a flow? Use the logical connectors. In addition, besides, moreover, however, therefore, thus. These logical connectors make your summary go very smoothly. Okay, so don't forget, I've given you a lot of notes on how to write a good summary. We have practiced some also in class. Here is going to help you. You will be more confident in writing a good summary. I hope it helps you, and during this stay at home, you can practice this summary. Whatever question, when the classes resume, we can always go through it again. So that's all for today's class. On summary, don't forget, section C, comprehension and summary, total of 25 marks. Go for it. You can do it. Thank you.